December for Christmas, this is the kind of game we used to play where there's a lot of soggy water. You go and play, kick some balls out there, and of course Makerere University gets back into contention and used to try. Now at this particular point in time, the goalkeeper Julie has to be quite very careful because it looks like the Uganda Christian University forwards are trying to acclimatize with the environment, and it seems Makerere University is not agreeing that. Now we are just fresh from Africa Cup of Nations where we're used to watch beautiful football. Unfortunately, you can't see such kind of football here. Makerere University takes up the lead with a very, very beautiful University money. And you see how it is. Now here you have to be very strong, no much controlling of the ball, and of course Makerere University tries his level best to see that wow. Despite the fact that they lost 10 players due to graduation, they don't look to be so timid. They look to be very comfortable on ball. 10 of their players graduated with a bachelor's degree in various fields, and Makerere University fails to Isaac, Abiti Harry. The forward, there's not so much luck yet coming on their side out there. Making out a good clear cut from the connection with the winger is something that I think Sewanyana Sharif is quite not cutting quite so well, very well with his colleagues, and perhaps you never know. But as we say, we think that the rain is settling, it's rise up. You know, it's quite very hard here. Anything can happen, any tackle, sometimes those tackles just don't come because it's intentional.
You know, if you want to hurt Uganda